Hello, my dear people. I just woke up in Williams Lake, British Columbia, and everything is covered with smoke from the wildfires. And actually, wildfires are pretty close to my route, so I'm changing the plan and I'm taking another route. I'm going straight to Jasper, and from there I'll check the map and see how the smoke situation is. But yeah, for now I think I'm going south a little bit and then east to Jasper. I think I will smell like smoke after this route, and maybe all my bags and everything that is inside is also gonna smell like smoke. I already have my jacket, like yesterday when I was just taking a break in a motel and doing some editing, like working on the videos and stuff. I went out for a short walk in my jacket, fleece jacket, and when I came back to my room, it smelled like smoke. So yeah, that's what's probably gonna happen. And if I'm gonna camp in these conditions, the same will happen to my sleeping bag and all other stuff. This river on the left, I see it from time to time in between the trees. I'm not sure if you guys see it, but it's the same Fraser River that was going along the Sea to Sky highway, and that I was going along on the back roads. Same river right here. Also, I noticed that all the water, like lakes and rivers here, they have this blue color, and looks like this is because they all come from glaciers. Like the water originates in glaciers, and that's why. But I want to go through details. Like once I reach some self-service, I'll read why. I'll figure out why exactly this blue color. I know blue color happens. I know, so that's like the water is coming from glaciers. Has this color, but I'm not sure why exactly. Jasper is all covered with smoke. I'll see. I have hour and a half till the campground where I'm gonna camp. Where I was going to camp. With this smoke, I'll probably try to make it farther via Jasper and see what's on the other side of the mountains. We'll see. For now, the landscape, if you see the mountains, they all covered in smoke. And this is the campground that I was hoping to stay at, but I'm not sure with all this smoke. I'll be honest with you, maybe I'll just check it out and go farther through Jasper. This does not look fun. Oh yeah, and everyone is... I don't see people in tents. I see only people in vans and... oh okay, here are some tents. But yeah, that's not sleeping tents, that's just dining area tents. There is a sleeping tent. Oh, and maybe it's just... oh, okay, I see the spot, but I don't think that I want to camp here. But let's... give me a second. Surprisingly, there is no smoke down here, which means all the mountains around are in smoke, and smoke is somewhere up there, but here I do not... I cannot feel this. I do not feel this smell, and this is pretty amazing, which means I'll have an awesome night. And this is just outside of Jasper, and this is July, which means this spot should be super popular, but I guess it's midweek and also smoke and wildfires scared people. So I have an awesome place all to myself in the woods. This is cool. I'm gonna set up my tent. some plans for tonight. I will have a friend here whom will have some photo shooting of the bikes. We'll see how it goes. I expect a lot of fun, but for now I guess I'm gonna have my evening with dinner and a walk and just being at some peace. So thank you so much for being with me on my journey. Thank you so much for watching this. I'll see you next Sunday.